Good afternoon, gang. Got a little card trick for you. I used to do this in the restaurant quite often. It was pretty popular at the time. It's a very simple trick that just uses a couple of cards. The first one we're going to use is the Queen of Spades. Now to do this, I actually need a duplicate of the Queen of Spades. I need two of them. And there are a lot of ways magicians have done this over the years. You can wave a magic wand and get a duplicate, or you could say magic words. But that's all kind of old hat for me. I thought we'd do something unusual and unique. And to get our duplicate, I'm going to use a chameleon. You're familiar with chameleons? It's one of those little lizards that changes colors. To show you how this works, you take the chameleon and you add it right here. Well, nothing happens initially. But what I want to show you is, first of all, if you rub them like this, then nothing happens. There's no change. But if you rub like that, then we get that second queen that I need to have for this. And that's kind of neat. Excuse me. The thing is now, sometimes it's hard to tell which one's the chameleon and which one's the actual queen. And the way you figure that out is you take an extra card and you rub it against one of the queens. And if there's no change, then obviously that one's the chameleon. Isn't that neat? It's a neat little idea, isn't it? So let's try this again. This time we'll do it with a different card. Let's use the Six of Spades. So if I add the Six of Spades to the chameleon, and just rub that Six of Spades against the chameleon, then I get the second Six of Spades. So there's a Six of Spades there and a Six of Spades here. Of course, here's the thing. You can always rub this one and get that queen back if you'd rather do it that way, or you could rub one here and get another six. And that's kind of neat. So here's the thing you don't want to do, though. What you don't want to do is you don't want to take the chameleon, which is now this one, I guess. You don't want to take the chameleon and add it to the deck, because if you do that, you end up with cards you can't use. And you may do this over and over, but remember, you can always get that queen back if you want. Or you can rub here and you can get another one like this, but that doesn't help you out much. I guess you could probably rub here and get another 7. So this has all been pretty interesting, but where's the chameleon at now? Does anybody know? Can anybody point it out? Well, I'll give you a hint. It's right there. Of course, at this point, all the cards are chameleons. And if you take these two and give a little rub, you can get more backs, but that doesn't really help us either. So which one do you think it is now? It's hard to tell, isn't it? See, this is where this gets weird. You have to be very careful when you handle these, because everything starts to change. And I don't know if you can see, but all of the cards are now very unusual. So at this point, I'd usually just put them back in the box and be done with it. But anyway, that's the chameleon trick, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much. See ya.